Natascha Eiber and I'm the founder of DanceNextStep. DanceNextStep is an online platform created for dancers, dance teachers, choreographers, producers of dance events. It is for sharing, it is for enhancing knowledge, it is for exchange. DanceNextStep has several categories. We have clips from ballet, bar, as well as center work, contemporary dance, jazz dance, modern dance, children dance. We are permanently growing. So if you're interested, please go on our website www.dancenextstep.com. There are also some free sample videos where you can take a look at it before you sign up. And it is a 14-day trial. You can cancel within these 14 days anytime. Your membership, it is only 18 euros a month. So I hope I could give you a little insight on our platform and to welcome you as a member or as a dance teacher and choreographer. Thank you very much.